This is BentheEVguy, along with an exclusive collaboration with MModified.
Perfect.
Another product review. This is the tray that replaces the mat. So previously, this is what the mat looks like. You just lift it off, put it in the tray. Little business card holder. Not necessarily the biggest fan. Prefer this area to be open. The charging connectivity is pretty spot on. I lay it down, charges immediately. Everything else is pretty standardized. There's very little give, so the fitment is spot on. Not much to really describe. Is this a must-have? No. It's not. I think the previous mat works well, but it does what it's supposed to do, and I do think that the connectivity for the charger is better. And there's my 60-second review.